Hello everyone, my name is Keith Bryant. I work at Westbrook Health Services as the QRT lead program director. We are going to do a short video on the fentanyl test kits and how to use those. We are using this video as an educational view for those in the substance use disorder, and we are not enabling the use in any way. We are using this as a harm reduction tool. Here in front of me is the fentanyl test kit box. The fentanyl, a little bit of information about the fentanyl kits. They used to be illegal and you would get a charge, a paraphernalia charge. Now in May of 2022, the governor has taken the fentanyl test kits off of the paraphernalia list. So therefore they are legal to use, and here we are. We're going to show you a quick little video on how to use the kits. Inside each kit, you will have an instructional video on how to test for the powders on one side and then for the solids on the other side. That comes in every single test kit. Inside each test kit, you'll see a holder, a vial to test the substance in, as well as a additive, a Q-tip, and the test kit itself. A question that we hear a lot is it just test fentanyl? It does not just test fentanyl, it tests all the different types of fentanyls. There's about 12 here on this list, and this test kit will help test for those. Now, how to use the test kit: open the box, you pull out your holder and your vial, and then you add your little soluble solution here to the top line. We do encourage you before using a fentanyl test kit and testing a substance that you please wear a mask and safety gloves, because fentanyl is a powerful drug that can go in through your pores and cause a lot of issues. Once you pour the solution into the vial, you take the drug and put a small amount in there, and then you take your Q-tip. You open it out of the plastic container, and then you are able to squish it, move it around to where it comes in complete with the solution. Then you take your test kit itself, tear the opening, and then on this test strip you will see a little water end. You take the test strip and put it into the solution and hold it for about 10 seconds. Once you hold it for 10 seconds, once you take it out of the tester, you can place the test strip onto the open package and wait 30 seconds for the test to then do its findings. After the 30 seconds is up, you can then take your test kit, and as you can see, this test tested negative, as shown at the bottom of the instructions on how to read a positive and negative test. Before we end this video, we would like to share with you 7 helpful tips on harm reduction. First, the individual accepts, and for better or for worse, that drug use is a part of our world. Number 2, understands that drugs as a complex, multifaceted issue that affects our whole community. 3, our clients set the tone for their own wellness and recovery. 4, calls for non-judgmental, non-coercive provisions of services and resources to let people who use drugs. 5, ensure people who use drugs and those with a history of drug use routinely have a real voice in the creation of programs and policy designed for them. 6, affirm people who use drugs themselves as primary agents of reducing the harms of their drug use and seek to empower them. 7, understand that poverty, classism, racism, and geographic isolation, family structure, and past trauma changes people's brains. For any other additional information, see the link in the description. If you need to get a hold of anyone at Westbrook Health Services for a fentanyl test kit, please call 304-485-1721, extension 121. Or if you see our QRT team out in the community, please stop them and they have them ready for you to pick up.